Welcome to our web series where we unravel the intriguing world of the internet. Today, we're demystifying a common confusion. What's the difference between web development and web design? Let's start with web design. It's all about aesthetics and usability. A web designer is like an architect. Their blueprint dictates how the site looks and feels. They focus on layout, color palette, typography, and overall visual appeal. Designers often use tools like Adobe XD or Sketch to craft their visions. Now, on to web development. It's the beating heart of a website. If design is the skin and bones, development is the muscles and blood that make everything function. We split this into front-end and back-end development. Front-end developers work on what users interact with using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Back-end developers handle the server, database, and application logic, utilizing languages like PHP, Python, or Ruby. Think of it like this: design is writing the screenplay, while development is bringing that screenplay to life on screen. Both need each other to deliver a seamless user experience. So, the next time you're browsing a slick website, remember, design made it beautiful, development made it work. That's your quick dive into web design versus web development. Stay tuned for more tech-powered insights, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more web wisdom in less than 100 seconds.